So students, here you can see the PSpice schematic software where you can draw a circuit. So I am drawing a circuit using a DC voltage source. DC voltage source, and I will this called the part window where different parts are there. There is libraries also. So according to your requirement, you can choose. So I'm taking the simple circuit. So I'll select only resistance. Okay, then I will take on inductance L. Then I will take one capacitance C. So pressing Ctrl R to rotate the component. Now I will connect where. So I need where to connect the different components. Simple RLC circuit, but the source is DC. Now I have to connect one ground to complete the circuits. So here I am applying say 9-volt voltage source. So by double clicking, I can change the values of this voltage source. It's 9 volt. This resistance, say this is 1 kilo ohms. Okay, this 10 microhenry. Capacitor is 1 nanofarad. So I'm just clicking the setup analysis. I've checked this one, transient. So here I am putting 20 nanosecond print step, and final delay, final time is 1000 nanoseconds. So now it is ready. I have to save it. As RLC DC .schematic .sch. Now I am simulating this one. But what I can see, initially all are 0 ampere. So if I click this one, initial current of the inductor is 20 milliampere. Now I am including one current probe, and I am including another voltage probe across the capacitor. Now I am simulating again. So in the probe, what I can see, red one is the current, so it's 0. The voltage is gradually increasing. I can see up to 1 microsecond. So I'll change the limit. That is in setup analysis. I'll change this one as 100 milliseconds. Final time is 100 milliseconds. Now again I am simulating. Now see the changes. Initially current is increasing. So up to 10 milliseconds it is saturated. Now see the differences. Again I am changing it to 1 millisecond. Now you will see the transient behavior. See the transient behavior. So if it is 0.1 millisecond, the figure will be much more acceptable. So again I am changing the value of the final time. So this is 0.1 milliseconds. Now see the behavior of the circuit. In capacitor, the voltage Initially it is 0. Then it's gradually increasing. So at this point, it reaches. So this is in 20 nanoseconds. I can see it's almost saturated. So this way, gradually the potential of the capacitor increases. So this way we can practice the numericals of DC transient and everything. Thank you very much for watching.